Alright guys, so I've been busy at work, so it's been a pretty slow week for content, but I'm gonna go ahead and clean up this engine bay just a little bit. Got some degreaser, gonna squirt it down, and I'll give it a spray. Give it a nice little soak down here, leave it sit for a little while, come back with the hose and a little bit of a pressure washer, and we'll clean it up and we'll see how it all looks. Alright, so it's been soaking for a couple minutes now. Let's see how well just a rag takes this off. It does a little bit. Yeah, it'll do it, but it's gonna take me a minute. I'll set up a time lapse and I'll get back to you. Would anybody be interested in content or involving my bike? I have a little bit of work I need to do, and I would like to film it to see if anybody would actually enjoy watching it. Oh, it's doing something. Alright guys, so this worked out a little better than I expected it to. It looks about 1,000,000 times better than it did whenever I first started. I'm gonna keep at it, see how much better we can get this to look. I'd really like to get the bay prepped. Well guys, it came out pretty good. I still have a little bit more to do, some bits and pieces that I couldn't really get to right now, remove some stuff, but I think that's about as good as I'm gonna get it for right now until I get a couple more things out of the bay. Alright guys, I got about as much done as I could on the Rx7 for right now. I got a guy coming to buy the engine, and I'm gonna go engine shopping. So I think that's going to be it for this one. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Don't forget to leave a like.